Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So Israel attacked Iran. You should all know the news by now. So this is in retaliation to Iran's threats of nuclear war. And why this is important to South Africa. Now, it's very important to understand that most of our fuel, diesel and petrol and the oils, actually comes from the Middle East. And this is going to have a detrimental effect on the supply of fuel to South Africa, because South Africa, remember, we don't produce so much of our own fuel anymore. So we don't import the oils and then we make petrol and diesel. We actually import a lot of our finished fuels like diesel, petrol, paraffin and all those fuels. We actually import from the Middle East. So this is going to have a profound impact on South Africa, because what's going to happen now next is there might be a massive price change in South Africa, because suddenly if other countries within the Middle East get involved as well, because this thing is not going to end well. Ladies and gentlemen, take my word for it, Iran and Israel are not going to stop, especially Iran. I think they are extremely pissed at this stage about the direct attacks from Israel. So this is going to have a profound impact in South Africa's supply of the fuel. And once the supply runs a bit slower or less, we're going to see the increase of the diesel and petrol price. It's going to climb to levels that it's going to be absolutely crazy. And obviously this is going to have a detrimental effect on the poorest of the poor. Those people won't be able to afford proper meals anymore, because remember now, everything in South Africa is trucked. And a truck runs on diesel. And as soon as the diesel prices starts going up or the supply gets less, it has a profound impact on ground level. You know, in the local townships, in the local cities, in the local small town in South Africa. So you need to watch out for this, because this is one major big red flag in South Africa. South Africa as it stands we're not doing well as a country. People are really battling. I think they said something like 25% of children in South Africa go hungry every night. So if this is going to increase because of the Middle East war, you need to be prepared for this. So please take this as a prepping video. Please see this as you need to make sure that you do have extra fuel. If you are a prepper, you should have all the correct methods. So stock up and make sure that you've got enough fuel. And be aware of what's happening in the world. We do know that Russia is also going in hard. They've bombed Kiev as well. So things are not looking very well in the Middle East and in Europe. And remember, this does impact South Africa. It does impact South Africa. Please like, share and subscribe. If you've watched this far, go check out our second channel, Patriots of South Africa. And God bless.